Hey everyone, just out here prepping the RV. We're headed to the Hershey RV show this weekend. Kind of a impromptu trip. We last minute planned this. We're headed to a harvest toast. We're going to be boondocking. This might be a little warm this weekend, so I'm hoping the weather will cool down at night and we'll be a little more comfortable. Of course, all the RV campgrounds and everything were all booked up. There's no way we were getting a site there. We've been checking and there's a few pretty far away, so we're just gonna boondock. We're headed to a brewery. Have you been to the Hershey RV show? If you have, leave us a comment. Give us some tips. Like I said, I've done quite a lot of research, but can't know everything, right? We're headed to the Vineyard and Brewery at Hershey. It's a Harvest Host location. So we're heading up Saturday morning and we're going to drop the trailer sometime in the afternoon, check out the brewery, eat some food, and then head over to the show. We'll be there probably later in the afternoon and throughout the night. Walk around all those trailers, check out the vendors. We're pretty excited about heading to the show. Hershey RV Show has an app on your phone. Just go to your app store, search for Hershey RV Show. There's all kinds of stuff in here. You got booth vendor list, you got manufacturer list, you got the dealer list, seminar schedule, there's a map. So when you go to the map, you click on the map and you click on specific areas and it tells you what's in that area. I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty helpful for this show because I hear it's pretty large. So if you don't know, parking's free at the show, and you can actually bring your trailer with you and you can park for free. Overnight parking costs, I heard it's around $70-something, and it's dry camping, so that's totally not worth it. But if you're getting there early and you can't check in to your RV site, you can park with your trailer for free and pull in there. That's a pretty nice feature. But you want to make sure you get on that app or online and buy your tickets ahead of time, because the price goes up. I think it's $2 on the day of. So head online. They're only doing online sales, no walk-up sales this year, so make sure you buy your tickets ahead of time. Speaking of that, I gotta go online and buy my tickets. I'm actually headed to Harbor Freight to pick up their solar panel, suitcase solar panels they have, and get that all set up for their boondocking location, and keep those batteries charged while we're at the show.
3 hours later.
Alright, I'm back from Harbor Freight. Got my solar. And I'm going to be making a video about that. So just stay tuned for that. I'll come back and I'll link it up below, somewhere up here. And this way that video is posted for you. I just wanted to get back on here and talk about some things that we're going to be packing. And some ideas that you might want to think about. So we're bringing, definitely wearing some good pair of shoes. This place is supposedly huge. 30 football fields or something like that. You're going to be walking around a lot. Don't be wearing those flip-flops. I got to convince Kim not to wearing those because it's going to be a lot of walking. We're going to bring in a bag with some water and some snacks. I hear there is a lot of concessions there, but here it gets a little pricey. And I'm a little cheap, so we're bringing some snacks and maybe we'll grab lunch while we're there. They're going to have metal detectors as you walk in. Everything's contactless, so when you buy your ticket online, you get it sent to your phone. When you get in, they're going to scan it. Everything's contactless, but there's metal detectors. So if you are legally allowed to carry a weapon, leave it at home. They're not allowing them there. You are allowed pets. They need to be secured in like a stroller or something. It needs to be like zipped on the top. Just leave your dogs at home. You don't need to bring them to the show if you must. Obviously, service animals are allowed. All right, that's it for the video. Like I said, just a quick video. I just want to talk about the Hershey RV show. We'll be posting another video with our impressions and everything that we thought about the show, and we'll get that posted as soon as we can. If you see me walking around, just stop by and say hi. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.